They put a lot of pressure on. They got the turnover there from Team Estelles.
Oh, Moa goes to Iose. One of the many options in this impressive Hurricanes lineup. Breaking through the line is Geordie Barrett. He might go the way. Will Barrett's in. First try tonight at Mount Smart, and it goes to Geordie Barrett.
Not really seeing where Geordie Barrett's coming. You can see here, he just holds, he hits a short ball off Peter Umaga Jensen. The defender sucks in and then bangs off the right. Just a great fit.
Levi Almoa talked about him in the build-up. Such a dangerous man. They've got an advantage now, Moana Pasifika. Taking chance their arm here. Taumatene looking for the reply. Advantage. They've got another one. They're close. They're over. Fidel steps around the first defender. Now Geordie Barrett up in the line. Morgan now shifting on Umaga Jensen. Ball back on the inside. Beautifully, Morby. Josh Morby's going to score on debut. 9 phases, Moana Pasifika. Liliafano away for Ovili, over the top for Funaki. Ball around the corner for Tima Fainga Nuku. And away is Almoa. Levi Almoa's going to score, is he? Yes! Moana Pasifika. Roygard has Karifi waiting. Aidan Morgan, beautiful little pass, Aidan Morgan. Here they come through, Delaney, ball away. Feet out, Alex, feet out!
Wow, what a try, Alex Fida. You see here, out the back, Aidan Morgan tacks the line, goes at Caleb Delaney, holds the ball up, offloads, and then Alex Fida. Like every good prop, KT, support line's unreal.
First scrum in Super Rugby. And a bit of pressure coming, but it is there for Time Stowers off the back. Hurricanes hanging on, Moana Pasifika score! Solomoni Funaki!
Around that ruck and that first and second defender.
Yeah, the powerful carry, they got supporters there, good clean out, and that left the way for that guy.
Morgan tries to find a way through.
Turnover's good!
And it's a big turnover for Moana Pasifika.
Turnover's good!
They survived the raid, and now they'll look to turn the Hurricanes around. What's the bounce like? What's the kick like? It's brilliant! What's the chase like? It's magic! Danny Koala, can you believe it?
They've turned it over. Solomoni Funaki makes the decision, hits Tuala. He kicks it down here, backs it up with a great chase. Turn a bad kick into a great kick by chasing hard. He does that, pops it up.